Just look at the face. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, if this is the first time you're actually watching my channel, please don't fail to click on the red button and also tap the notification bell for you to get updates of more videos to come. Today, actually, we are going to look at how we're going to prepare Ogbono soup. Ogbono soup. Actually, it's one of the delicious soup that is well prepared in Nigeria, consumed by most Nigerians. Today, I want to present to you how the soup is being prepared and how we're going to and the processes also. Just stay tuned and enjoy the video. Here we have our fish, our dry catfish. Everybody knows the benefit of a fish in the body. It gives protein to the body. Also here we have our pound fresh pepper. We have our chopped onions here. We also have salt here I want to use to add to the soup. We also have Maggi. Of our Maggi here. We don't. This is what we call. This is African oil bean. In the eastern Nigeria, actually we call this Oba. While the south from where I come from, Akwa Ibom State, we call it Okana. It's very rich in vitamins. And okay, we also have the ogbono itself, what we're going to use in preparing the soup. And we have this is what we call okay. And yeah, this is what we call odusa leaf. The leaf we're going to use to spice the food itself. Right now, we're going to move straight into the cooking. First of all, we're going to wash the fishes to make it neat and very good for cook. Thank you. We also have our palm oil. We're also using adding to the soup. Make sure we have everything placed for we're ready to prepare this delicious soup. Okay, we just finished washing the fish. Now we are going to rinse them and put them here gradually. As you can see, actually took my time to wash this fish and then use salt also to make sure I remove some dirt from the body of the fish. So here we go. This is the fish. We're actually rinsing them, trying to make sure put them here to be ready for cooking. Yeah, the fish is ready. So guys, I'll be showing you how to put all these things together to put in my actually put in the pot to cook my soup, my ogbono soup today. So relax and watch how it will be done. This is my pot. First of all, I'm going to light my gas. As you can see, the gas is on. First of all, we'll allow the water to dry from the pot. This is my palm oil, the one I'm going to use. I'll bleach the palm oil actually, then put the chopped onions, stir it, and make sure everything is fine. Still waiting for the pot to dry. Now the water has dried up in the pot. I'm adding my palm oil to it. Wow, that's cool. We'll wait a bit and allow the oil to bleach a bit. Get bleached a bit, then we'll add our chopped onions to it. I'm adding the chopped onions to it. Wow. Now I'm adding water. Wow. Right now I'm going to put the required water needed for me to prepare the Ogbono soup. Now the water actually been put, but we'll wait for it to steam out a bit. Okay, now we're going to add our fresh pepper. To also add our African oil bean. We'll also add a fish. Then we will stir. A little pinch of salt also will be needed here. Salt. Then we'll also add our Maggi cube. Thereafter, we'll cover the pot and allow it to steam first. As the pot is steaming, please while watching, please if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also tap on the notification button to get updates on more videos. Keep watching and enjoy watching this video.
Hey guys, Happy New Year. It's all about the New Year celebration. See something happening here. Hobby's cooking. If this is your first time in his channel, please don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to his channel. Today he's going to be preparing wonderful and delicious Ogbono soup. Okay, this is something fine here. Yeah, see the pot steaming. So he's gonna be preparing a wonderful dish which we're gonna be eating. Yeah. His channel is, growing, and with your support, the channel is going to grow well. Enjoy watching this wonderful recipe. And also, you can also dance to my own channel, Keme TV, to also subscribe. We'll keep giving you more updates of what's happening.
Hi. Hello guys, right now the pot is steaming, as you can see. Now we are going to add our ogbono to it. Then we will now, we've added ogbono to it. We'll now stir it round to make sure everything is well concentrated. We allow it to boil very well also. Okay, right now we are going to add our ozuza leaf, which is the last thing. Actually, the last thing we're going to put on the soup. Then after this, we'll stir the pot round. The food is ready. Hope you guys hope you enjoyed this video. It's my cooking of Ogbono soup. Now the food is ready. I'm going to put off the fire. Wow! I know some people might be salivating over there, but don't worry. It will also get to you somehow. Please, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is actually a simple way of preparing Ogbono soup in part of Nigeria, yeah, and it's very beautiful. It tastes very good. I just wish
Yeah, people. Yeah. Hubby wants to show you what he gets here. He's gonna be showing you something.
Hi everyone. Now the food is ready for consumption. You can see how delicious and wonderful the soup is.
Let's go there.
I know. Wow! Just look at the face. I'm just salivating, and I believe so many people over there are also salivating about this soup. Wow, this is beautiful. This is really, really beautiful. This is beautiful, wonderful, my people. Wow, this is tasty. Wow, this is tasty. Please, if you love this video, don't fail to thumbs up on the red button and subscribe to my channel. Happy viewing and please enjoy. Thanks for watching my video, and you'll also be getting more updates of such wonderful tasty meals and more of the videos. Thank you and have a wonderful time.
Yeah, guys, that was wonderful. I really love this. This is from Hobby. Please don't fail to subscribe. Try to encourage us to grow more, build the channel for us. Thanks for watching, and also don't fail to share this wonderful video with your friends and families. See you guys in our next video. Bye.